Did you know that more than 50% of people with diabetes will face nerve damage at some point? What's even more surprising is that many don't know that some everyday foods can actually help fix that damage. Today, we're going to talk about 5 amazing foods that every person with diabetes should be aware of. Diabetic neuropathy is tough. It damages your nerves. It causes pain, tingling, or numbness, mostly in your hands and feet. This can make everyday activities really tricky and uncomfortable. But don't worry, there's good news. Recent studies show that some foods might heal your nerves. They may also ease your annoying symptoms. These natural helpers could be a big deal for anyone struggling with neuropathy. Excited to find out which foods have these superpowers? Stick around because we're about to dive into 5 surprising foods that could fight off diabetic neuropathy. You might even find that you've already got these foods in your kitchen. Let's explore how making smart choices with what you eat can help you take better care of your nerves. Starting our list at number 5 is acetyl L-carnitine, an amino acid that plays a key role in nerve health. Did you know that our bodies produce acetyl L-carnitine? It is synthesized in the liver and kidneys from the amino acids lysine and methionine. It energizes nerve cells by transporting fatty acids into the mitochondria, where they are turned into energy. This energy boost is vital for nerve cells. It helps them function and repair. So it is especially helpful for those with diabetic neuropathy. Research supports its benefits. A study in diabetes care found that acetyl L-carnitine can help people with diabetic neuropathy. It can reduce pain and improve nerve function. This amino acid provides energy to nerve cells. It helps ease pain and aids in cell repair. It also protects against oxidative stress, which can damage nerves. Doctors usually recommend 500 to 2,000 milligrams daily to relieve nerve pain. But consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. It's important to ensure it fits with your current treatment plan. Using acetyl L-carnitine is more than symptom relief. It's a natural way to heal and protect your nerves. It gives hope to those with diabetic neuropathy. Moving on to our list at number 4, we have vitamin B complex. B vitamins are often referred to as the nervous system vitamins. Vitamin B complex, which is made up of B1, thiamine, B6, pyridoxine, and B12, cobalamin, is important for keeping nerves healthy. These vitamins protect your nervous system by helping to repair and prevent damage. New research links a lack of key nutrients to peripheral neuropathy, a common diabetes complication. Thiamine, also known as vitamin B1, plays a crucial role in maintaining proper nerve function. This important vitamin can be found in whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Over time, a deficiency in thiamine can cause damage to the nerves. Pyridoxine, also known as vitamin B6, plays a crucial role in keeping your nerves healthy. Some great sources of vitamin B6 are poultry, fish, potatoes, and bananas. Vitamin B12 is widely recognized for its positive impact on nerve health. A lack of this nutrient can greatly raise the chances of neuropathy. Vitamin B12 is vital for producing red blood cells and for maintaining healthy nerve cells. It helps in the formation of the protective myelin sheath around the nerves, which is crucial for the proper transmission of electrical signals throughout the nervous system. Additionally, vitamin B12 is involved in DNA synthesis and helps keep your body's blood and nerve cells healthy, which is why a deficiency can lead to serious issues, including anemia and peripheral neuropathy. Vitamin B12 can be found in fish, lean red meat, and fortified cereals. If you're into plant-based eating, it's worth thinking about adding B12 supplements or fortified foods to your routine. This way, you can make sure you're getting all the necessary vitamin intake. A 2022 review suggested that B vitamin supplements might help with peripheral neuropathy. This news is really exciting for people who are dealing with diabetic neuropathy, and even more crucial if you happen to have a deficiency. So, if you have neuropathy symptoms, talk to your doctor about B vitamin testing. This can help determine if you have any deficiencies that should be addressed. A well-rounded diet with plenty of B vitamins is important, but another nutrient could be key to improving your nerve health: vitamin D. Coming in at number 3, let's talk about the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is essential for maintaining nerve health, and research shows that a deficiency can lead to peripheral neuropathy. This opens up an alternative path for pain relief for those looking to explore options beyond conventional methods. So, how can you tap into the benefits of vitamin D? One of the most accessible sources is sunlight. When your skin is exposed to it, your body produces vitamin D. Pretty amazing, right? If you can't get enough sunlight, no worries. You can boost your vitamin D by including foods like salmon and mackerel in your diet. For those who aren't fans of fish or have limited sun exposure, supplements are another option, but be cautious. Before starting any new supplements, it's crucial to talk to your healthcare provider, especially if you have diabetes. Some supplements may interact with your medications and affect your blood sugar. And remember, too much vitamin D can actually have negative effects, so your doctor can help you find the right dose based on your current levels. It's worth noting that vitamin D does more than just support nerve health. It's also important for calcium metabolism and overall well-being. While vitamin D can help with neuropathy, it's just one piece of the puzzle. A holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, staying active, and following your treatment plan is essential for managing diabetes and nerve health. Coming in at number 2 is capsaicin, the active compound that gives chili peppers their fiery kick. Interestingly, this heat-generating substance might actually help relieve neuropathic pain. So how does something that causes a burning sensation provide relief for nerve pain? Capsaicin works by lowering substance P, a neurotransmitter that affects how we perceive pain. By reducing substance P, capsaicin can help numb nerve pain. You can easily add capsaicin to your diet by incorporating spicy foods like chili peppers into your meals. However, dietary capsaicin may not have the same concentrated effect as using it topically. For more targeted relief, consider using capsaicin creams, which can be applied directly to painful areas. These creams come in various strengths, so it's important to start with a lower concentration to avoid skin irritation. Begin with small amounts and gradually increase as you gauge your tolerance. Keep in mind that capsaicin can cause a burning or stinging sensation, especially at higher concentrations. While this discomfort is usually temporary and tends to lessen with regular use, it's important to stop using the product and consult your doctor if irritation persists. The effectiveness of capsaicin creams for managing diabetic neuropathy varies from person to person. That's why it's important to use it as part of a broader approach, which includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and sticking to your treatment plan. In exploring natural remedies for neuropathy, one compound stands out, and its properties are exceptional. At number 1, we have alpha-lipoic acid. It can help fight nerve damage and stabilize blood sugar levels. And you may already have this versatile defender in your kitchen, just waiting to be used against diabetic neuropathy. Alpha-lipoic acid is an antioxidant that the medical community is increasingly interested in for its potential to relieve neuropathy symptoms. It plays a vital role in producing cellular energy and helps counteract free radicals, which contribute to oxidative stress, a major factor in diabetic neuropathy. Recent studies, including a 2022 review, highlight that ALA can reduce neuropathic pain, protect nerves, and even help lower blood sugar. This makes it particularly useful for people with diabetes. But how exactly does ALA support nerve health? Its dual action of protecting nerve cells from oxidative stress and aiding in the repair of damaged nerve tissue is what makes it so promising in the fight against diabetic neuropathy. If you're wondering how to get more of this powerful antioxidant, well, you'll be glad to know that ALA is found in many everyday foods. Spinach, broccoli, potatoes, yams, and carrots are all excellent plant-based sources. If you eat meat, red meat is also a good source. By incorporating these foods into your meals, you can naturally boost your intake of ALA. But if you prefer taking a supplement, it's important to proceed with caution. According to the Mayo Clinic, alpha-lipoic acid supplements are generally safe, but they may not be suitable for everyone. For example, people with a thiamine deficiency should be cautious, as high doses could cause serious side effects. That's why it's essential to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Your doctor can determine if ALA is right for you, guide you on the correct dosage, and monitor your progress. And there you have it, 5 natural remedies that can help heal and prevent diabetic neuropathy. acetyl L-carnitine, B-complex vitamins, vitamin D, capsaicin, and alpha-lipoic acid. We hope you found this video helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content and raising awareness about important health topics. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these natural remedies for managing diabetic neuropathy? Or do you have other tips to share? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, these natural remedies can help effectively manage symptoms of diabetic neuropathy and improve nerve health, but taking a comprehensive approach is key. Incorporate these remedies into your diabetes management routine. Maintain a regular exercise regimen and aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week to help maintain healthy blood sugar levels and overall well-being. And as always, talk to your healthcare provider before making any major changes to your diet or starting new supplements. They're there to provide personalized guidance and track your progress. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.